Welcome to Smart Learning Foreign Language. Bonjour à tous. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our fun and easy language lessons. Today's lesson is all about the French verb donner, which means to give, and we'll be learning how to use it in the past tense, also known as Passé Composé. Perfect for beginners and school-level students, especially those studying in CBSE and ICSE boards. In Passé Composé, most verbs use the helping verb avoir and then the past participle of the main verb. For donner, here's how it works. Subject plus avoir in present plus past participle of donner. Donner's past participle is donné. Let's break it down with English meanings. J'ai donné, I gave. Tu as donné, you gave, informal. Il, elle a donné, he, she gave. Nous avons donné, we gave. Vous avez donné, you gave, formal or plural. Ils, elles ont donné, they gave. Repeat after me. Let's say it together slowly. J'ai donné un cadeau à mon ami. I gave a gift to my friend. Nous avons donné les devoirs au professeur. We gave the homework to the teacher. Ils ont donné de l'eau à leur chien. They gave water to their dog. See how simple it is? Just plug in the right subject and you're all set. Use donner when you're talking about an action that's already done. Just like in English, I gave, not I give. Practice making your own short sentences using gifts, cadeau, food, nourriture, and help, aid. Drop them in the comments and I'll check them for you. In the video description, we've shared the best collection of French learning books, school-friendly dictionaries, and a specially designed French communicative course for CBSE and ICSE students at huge discounted prices. Also included, a self-guidance e-guide that makes learning French fun and effective. Need help or questions? Contact details are in the description too. I hope you enjoyed learning the Passé Composé form of donner today. Keep practicing with new verbs and use them in real conversations. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and classmates, and subscribe to Smart Learning Foreign Language for more simple and useful lessons. Merci beaucoup et à très bientôt. Thanks a lot and see you again in our next lesson.